In this video, we'll be showing you how to do a bulk update or insert of your products. First, make sure you are logged in as administrator. Then from the main navigation, browse to Admin, Product Groups, and then select Products from the Manage menu. Then from the Manage menu, select Bulk Product Update and Insert. A modal window will appear with steps for you to follow. Please ensure you read these and follow every point carefully. The first step shown is to download your product export. Open the spreadsheet and click Enable Editing. You must then keep the existing format with all fields shown. The easiest way to add new product is to copy and paste the existing information, remove the product ID and SKU as one will be generated for you, amend the product name, price and stock quantity. You can then repeat this process for all required products. Once completed, save your spreadsheet to your local device. Return to your website and browse and locate the file. Then click on the Upload button. All products will now have been uploaded. If you need to make amends to existing products, then select Edit from the Manage menu. Make any changes as necessary and click the Update Product button. Your products can be viewed and purchased by your customers in the uniform and merchandise area. And that's it, you now know how to bulk update all of your products. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.